Gĩcunjĩ gĩa 13 harĩ igana kĩa mbeũ njĩthĩ matirĩ mawĩra bũrũri-inĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie aingĩ gwĩkuruhania na ũhũthĩri wa ndawa cia kũrebia na njohi. No kũrĩ James Kamau ũrĩa ũthomeire maũndũ megiĩ marĩa matũrigicĩirie University wa Kenyatta nĩyũkĩte wĩra wa mwanya ũrĩa nĩ wa kũngania mbegũ cia matunda na mboga citiganĩte CIARAINI.
We are all seeds. None of us could be here if we were not seeds. So if we want to protect our life, and even protecting our life means protecting the life of other things, we have to start with the seeds.
No mũthĩ tũgacemania nake kĩara-inĩ gĩkĩ hakuhĩ na thoko ya City gũkũ Nairobi kũrĩa kũretwo akĩũngania mbegũ ici.
Ndio hivi pia pilipili zote zimetupwa.
Na gũcoka gũcihanda tuta-inĩ makĩhũthĩra maratathi ma mĩnyore marĩa mahũthĩkĩte.
Mangoes, avocado, all types of fruits that are sold in the market. Yellow passion, utapata yellow passion imeoza. To somebody that is waste because nobody will buy it and eat it, but to me that is a gold mine because it has the seeds inside. So I'll come get the seeds and then plant them. It is very simple. Actually, you can do it in your own balcony. We'll tell you is if you eat your avocado today or you eat your mangoes or lugwards, these are the ones that are in the season. Keep the seeds. When you drink your milk in the morning, keep the pepper. Then look for soil. Put soil in the milk pepper, put your seed and then water. After 2 months you have your seedling, plant it at your home or give it out like you are doing.
Kũringana nake thabarĩ ĩno yambĩrĩirie mĩaka 3 kũgerera gĩkundi gĩa kũramata marĩa matũrigicĩirie kĩa Millennial Environmentalists kũrĩa makoretwo makĩrongoreria thoko citiganĩte gũkũ Nairobi.
You can look at us, we are very strategic. Even the Kabete nursery, it's actually between Kangemi market and the N market, Nitango N. So when we situate ourselves, we actually surround ourselves with schools because our primary source of seeds is schools. The kids, when they eat their fruits at home, they bring the seeds home. So that is one way to prevent the seeds reaching the dustbins.
Hamwe na mũruna we Teresia Mũrago ahithũrĩtie kĩoneki gĩake nĩ gũthomithia Akenya bata wa kũgitĩra mbegũ citikahuke rĩu makĩrongoreria mathukuru matiganĩte.
We usually have projects going on. We call them school tree projects where we plant trees in school, over 10,000. Because in this year alone, we've given out more than 5,000 seedlings. Yeah, even as you saw in our nursery, the trees are less. But last month, they were way more than that.
Moigĩte kwa ihinda rĩrĩ nĩ maheanĩte makĩria ma mĩtĩ ya matunda 10,000 kũrĩ thukuru na ikundi citiganĩte makĩenda kambĩini ĩno ĩyũkio guothe bũrũri-inĩ.
We cannot be talking about tree cover, forest cover, and then we don't have measures or even policies to protect our seeds. If we had dustbins in every market in Kenya just for seeds, then KFS, that is the work they should be doing, or KEFRI. They should have actually dustbins where every Kenyan knows this is the point to deposit the seeds. And if that is done, then the cost of all this tree planting will reduce drastically because we'll be sourcing our seeds here.
Na nĩguo kĩoneki kĩao gĩkinyanĩre na kĩgacĩre mena uge kũrĩ we wĩna muoroto wa gũcera gĩcagi Ndithemba.
Urge people to be mindful of the seeds whenever you eat like any fruit and you find it to be so sweet. Yani ile fruit yenye unakula unasikia ni tamu sana. Save the seed, just try by like throwing it in the soil and covering and let nature do the rest.
Every seed you come across right now, plant it. When you go home in December, go plant fruit trees at your home. Instead of buying seedlings from other people. It's quite expensive and you don't get to experience or actually learn a little bit because my patience has been taught by not by human beings but by these plants. I was not a patient man. Now I'm patient because of this. You have to take time seeing a seed grow.
Ngĩribotera Kameme TV, njĩta Gĩtaũ wa Wanjikũ.